All right, I wanted to do a little setup first. So the first thing I did was come in and sort of save this as and save it as 1.2, right? So this is the second part. And then I'm going to come in and copy over some of these squares so I have a sort of organizational way of organizing things. So I'm just going to pick these guys and copy them over to there. And then I've separated out the profiles I want to work with for this one, so sort of the more minor, a little bit more simple, but I'll just move them kind of over here next to those guys. And then I'm just going to pretty much turn everything else off so I have a sort of minimal area to work with. So I'm going to turn everything back on over here and unlock it, right? And then what I'm going to do is, just in case I want to see it again, I'm going to pick these guys and I'm going to block it, which is going to put it on a block definition. I'm just going to pick the bottom left corner down here and I'm going to name it M1 block, right? And so it's going to block that. And what I'm going to do is create a new layer, and I'm going to call it 00 underscore block, and I'm going to put this guy on that layer. So if I change the object layer, I'm putting the block on that layer, and then I can turn that off and it turns that whole thing off. So now I'm just kind of working along with this. And then the next thing I'm going to do is make a couple of 3D versions of these guys and bring them out, hopefully into Adobe Illustrator.